cleaning your home just got a futuristic upgrade. Welcome back to Unbox Daily, where we showcase the best gadgets to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into the best steam mops of 2025. The DEVOAC VM6 Scrubbing Steam Mop combines innovation and practicality to deliver a superior cleaning experience. Featuring rotating mop pads, it scrubs your floors effortlessly, even tackling tough stains with ease. With its 10-in-1 functionality, this steam mop works on a variety of surfaces, from hard floors to laminate and marble, making it incredibly versatile. It offers 3 customizable steam modes, allowing you to adjust the power depending on the surface or mess you're dealing with, and its LED headlights illuminate hidden dirt and stains, ensuring no spot is missed. Despite its advanced features, the VM6 remains lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for quick cleanups or deep cleaning sessions. The performance of the DEVOAC VM6 is just as impressive as its features. The mop heats up quickly, so you're ready to start cleaning in seconds. The scrubbing steam technology combines the power of steam to sanitize floors with the scrubbing action of rotating pads to remove stubborn grime, all without the need for harsh chemicals. This makes it not only effective, but also safe for families and pet owners. And with its lightweight design, carrying it around your home is a breeze. So, who is this steam mop for? If you're a busy parent, a pet owner dealing with constant messes, or someone who simply wants a better way to clean, the DEVOAC VM6 is a perfect choice. Its versatility and ease of use make it suitable for a wide range of cleaning needs, whether you're in a small apartment or a large family home. It's designed to simplify your cleaning routine while delivering professional-level results. Priced competitively, the DEVOAC VM6 Scrubbing Steam Mop offers tremendous value for its feature set. If you're looking for a steam mop that combines power, convenience, and advanced technology, this one should definitely be on your radar. But this is just the start. Cleaning your home has never been more versatile or efficient than with the Neobot 10-in-1 Steam Mop, a floor steamer designed to handle every cleaning challenge. This multi-purpose steam mop features a detachable handheld steam cleaner, making it the ultimate solution for cleaning not just your floors but also tiles, walls, and a variety of other surfaces around your home. Whether you're tackling stubborn grime on hardwood floors or sanitizing tiled walls, the Neobot adapts to your needs, delivering deep cleaning with ease. The 10-in-1 functionality makes this steam mop a true multitasker. It transforms from a powerful floor steamer to a portable handheld unit, allowing you to clean furniture, countertops, and even tricky areas like grout and corners. With its high-temperature steam, it effectively eliminates dirt, grease, and bacteria without the need for harsh chemicals, making it a safe choice for homes with kids and pets. The lightweight design of the Neobot Steam Mop ensures effortless maneuverability, while the various attachments allow you to customize your cleaning experience for different surfaces. Whether you're deep cleaning your kitchen or freshening up your living room, this mop is designed to handle it all. Its ability to sanitize and scrub makes it a versatile and eco-friendly addition to any cleaning routine. For anyone looking for a complete home cleaning solution, the Neobot 10-in-1 Steam Mop offers tremendous value. Shark Steam and Scrub. All-in-one steam mop is the ultimate tool for sanitizing and scrubbing hard floors, combining power, efficiency, and convenience. Specifically designed for hard floors like tile, hardwood, and laminate, this steam mop delivers a deep clean while making your floors look polished and refreshed. What sets the Shark Steam and Scrub apart is its dual-action scrubbing and steaming capability. It comes with 4 Dirt Grip Soft Scrub washable pads, which are gentle yet effective, lifting and trapping dirt while scrubbing away tough messes. The mop offers 3 adjustable steam modes, allowing you to customize the level of steam to suit your cleaning needs, whether you're tackling light dust or heavy-duty grime. The built-in LED headlights illuminate hidden dirt and debris, ensuring no spot goes unnoticed. The high-temperature steam sanitizes as it cleans, eliminating 99.9% of bacteria and germs without the need for harsh chemicals, making it safe for homes with kids and pets. With its lightweight design and easy maneuverability, the Shark Steam and Scrub makes cleaning floors effortless, whether you're freshening up a single room or tackling your entire house. The awasky Steam Cleaner is a versatile and efficient cleaning tool designed to tackle a wide range of surfaces with ease. With its fast 50-second heat-up time, this steamer gets to work almost instantly, making it perfect for quick cleanups or deep cleaning sessions. Its refill anytime technology allows you to top up the water tank without waiting for the machine to cool down, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning for even the toughest jobs. This multi-purpose handheld steam cleaner features a detachable hose, giving you the flexibility to clean hard-to-reach areas like corners, grout, and tight spaces in your home, car, or furniture. The portable design makes it easy to carry around, and it's perfect for tackling a variety of surfaces, including upholstery, beds, tiles, bathroom fixtures, and hard floors. Its high-temperature steam effectively eliminates grease, grime, and bacteria without the need for harsh chemicals, making it a safe and eco-friendly choice for households with kids and pets. The sleek gray design and lightweight build make the awasky Steam Cleaner as stylish as it is practical. The MOOLAN 10-in-1 Steam Mop is a versatile and powerful cleaning solution designed to make maintaining your home easier than ever. Combining the functionality of a floor steamer with a handheld steam cleaner, this device tackles a variety of cleaning tasks across hardwood, tile, laminate, and more. With its ability to generate high-temperature steam, it effectively sanitizes surfaces, cutting through grease, grime, and bacteria, all without the need for harsh chemicals, making it safe for homes with kids and pets. The 10-in-1 functionality means this steam mop is not limited to floors. It comes equipped with 11 versatile accessories, allowing you to clean countertops, windows, grout, furniture, and even tough-to-reach corners. The handheld steam cleaner is perfect for detailed cleaning jobs, while the mop's lightweight and ergonomic design ensures easy maneuverability across your home. Whether you're doing a quick freshen up or a deep clean, the MOOLAN Steam Mop adapts to your needs, delivering a powerful clean with minimal effort. Its all-in-one design makes it ideal for whole home use, from tackling sticky floors in the kitchen to sanitizing bathroom tiles and everything in between. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay clean, stay inspired, and stay tech savvy. See you in the next video.